Hello my art lovers, I am Poonam and welcome back to my new DIY video. Every Thursday I upload new art, craft and home decor videos. To explore more creativity, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon. Warli painting is a style of tribal art in India. Today also this form of painting is used many home decor products. If you are a beginner and want to learn traditional Indian art, then start with Warli painting. In today's video, we will be making easy Warli painting from waste cardboard. It is zero budget wall decor idea. So, let's get started. Take any waste cardboard and cut 4 equal pieces of size 15 by 15 cm each. Take a plain white paper of size 20 by 20 cm each. In this Warli painting, we are using two basic colors. To make a brick red color, we are using red, yellow and black color. First, I am going to show you how to draw simple male and female figures in a Warli art. Use a pencil to draw a figures on a cardboard. To paint a Warli figure, we are using white color here. Once these are ready, you can arrange this in any pattern of your choice. With the help of double tap, we will stick this on a wall. And it's ready. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook to connect with me for more such creative ideas. Do you like this video? If yes, do subscribe and click that like button. From this grateful heart, I am really grateful to you for watching my video. See you in my next DIY video. Till then, bye.